Hello guys, welcome to Digitech Academy, and in this video you are going to learn how to check bulk. So if master design arts and supercharge your tech know-how, you've come to the right place. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting tech adventures. Join our tech-savvy community and let's embark on this incredible journey together. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the fascinating world of tech wonders. Ready? Let's get started. Yeah, so this is my Google Sheet right here, and these are the links I want to check if they are working or not, if the link is still live or not. So I'm going to check everything at once just with a single script. So that is how wonderful this is. So what is the process? The process is for you to go to your Google Sheet. When you open your Google Sheet, you are going to open a blank Google Sheet and you paste your link. You paste the whole link inside the Google Sheet as I have pasted right here. You can see how many links do I have. I have 196 URLs right here that I want to check if they are working or not, right? So the next thing I'm going to be doing after that is that we come to my extensions. Yeah. You come to extensions, you can see it up here, extensions. Then you scroll down to app scripts. So yeah, let me click on the app scripts. So you are going to wait till the app scripts load completely. Yeah, so let us wait for that to load. App scripts. Yeah, voila. So our app script has loaded completely. So the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to clear this default script. You can see this default code, which is the function asterisk my function brackets. We are going to clear everything. Yeah, you can see what I just did. We are going to clear everything. So I'm going to be attaching another script below this video. Check the description of this video. I'm going to be attaching this script for you for free so that you can make use of it. So all you just need to do is to copy this particular script, Ctrl C. You copy it, then you come to your app scripts. You can see this is your app script. Then you paste the script. So yeah, so you don't need to write any code. You don't need to even have a programming skill before you can do this. All what you just need to do is to copy and paste. So what else are we going to do after this? We need to save this project. You can see. So we need to save. You click on this save button right here, or the save icon rather, and once it is saved successfully, the next thing you're going to do is to click on run the selected function, run. So don't forget, it is automatically connected to this. The way I have been doing it is automatically connected. So all I just need to do is to click on run, and let us see the magic. But before the magic is going to go on, it needs your permission to approve if you truly want to run this script on your Google Sheet or not. So we are going to give it permission right now. Review permissions, right? So you need to wait for it to load, and make sure when you're doing this your network is really fast. Yeah, it is necessary because this thing is actually going to be crawling on different websites. That is the links that you put in your Google Sheet. So it's going to be crawling everything, and it's going to need a good network. So I'm going to be clicking on my email. This is the email that I'm using for this Google Sheet. So I need to click on this email, which is the Digitech Academy email. So the next thing you are going to do, you can see Google actually brought a notification right here that Google hasn't verified this app. What you're going to do is click on advanced. Yeah, you don't need to be scared. This is actually not spammy. It doesn't have any issue, right? This is actually not spammy. So you're going to see it all by yourself. So the next thing you do is click on go to untitled project. But if your project is actually titled, you are going to see it here, right? So on save. So just click on it and let us see the magic happen. Yeah, allow. Authorization successful. You can see it is already executing. See, execution log. It said notice execution started. Wonderful. Execution started. So how are we now going to check if the execution has actually truly started or not. So what you do is you come to your Google Sheets, look at it. It is already loading like automatically. It is already crawling through all the websites. So it has checked this first one. It said website is okay. This second one, you can see it said execution error. That means this second website is not working. This third website is okay. You can see the fourth one, error exemption. That means all the ones that it says error exemption, they are the bad website. They are the website that they don't load anymore. But the ones that it says website is okay, you can see how fast this is. And this is actually fast because my network is fast. Make sure your network is fast before you can be sure if this is going to be fast or not. So, and you can see, just compare if I am doing all these links one after the other, it is going to take a lot of time from me, right? So this is actually automated. You just input the script in your app script and it is going to run on autopilot, right? So it's going to get to 196, right? It's going to get to 196, you can see. So before it gets 196, I'm going to just pause till it gets 196. So once it successfully gets to 196, then I'm going to play it back. So voila, here I'm back already. So you can see that it has executed successfully. So when we come back to our script, look at it, execution completed. So when you look at it right here, 196, the execution has also completed. So you notice that there are some site that says website is okay. Those are the websites that are actually working. But you see the ones that said error exemption, or error whatsoever. They are the websites that are not working. So now, how can I actually be sure about this? Yeah, let me show you the proof. I'm going to be open two websites that are okay. That's this thing tagged as website is okay, and two websites that it's tagged as error. Let us check if they are truly working or not, right? So now the first one, website is okay. Let us click on it. Fantastic. You can see that this is what is working. So that proves that number one is working. That is, the website is okay. So number two says error exemption. So let us check if it is working or not. You can see, sorry, this store is currently unavailable. That shows that this second one is not working, right? This second one is not working. So let's go to the third one, which is website is okay. Website is truly okay. It is obvious and evident, right? So now the fourth one says error exemption DNS whatsoever. So let us open that as well. You can see this site can't be reached. This site can't be reached. So instead of me opening several websites and start checking them manually, it is going to take a lot of time from me. You understand? So instead of doing that, what do? I just need to input my script and leave it on autopilot, and everything is going to do at a time. So thank you guys. This is all about the video.